Hello everyone, I am Brianna and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you a look inside my Rosey Life Planner August subscription. So let's get started. Getting the Rosey Life subscription is definitely a highlight of my month. That and Cocoa Daisy. They are completely different and I love them both equally. So I have another kit coming, and it is the Mediterranean kit that I fully plan to use in August because I am going to be using the June Cocoa Daisy kit in August as well. So I have these items here and I need to figure out how I want to use them, where I want to use them, and then just kind of take a look at everything with you. I'm going to move you up so you can see the whole thing. But this theme is actually super, super gorgeous. I am going to open the back here and pull this out, some of the stuff. Okay. Oh, look at these. These are super cute. Adding like a little ink splotch on your page, and it's purple. I love that. And then what is this? Okay, I got to open these so that it doesn't have like a huge glare. Okay, so this says transfer stickers. I am assuming I need to go watch Linda's video, but I'm assuming that you like kind of like a rub on. I'm gonna have to play around with that. That is really cool if that is what it is. And then the card that we get, look at how beautiful. I love it. And on the back, it says ways to declutter your life and home. And it has 1 through 10. So create a 30-day declutter tracker, set up a habit tracker, use stickers, assign weekly zones. So like week 1, you'd have paper and digital clutter. Week 2, kitchen and pantry. Week 3, bedroom, closet, and beauty. Week 4, mental, emotional, and planner clutter. Use the 15-minute declutter rule. Apply the use it or lose it rule. As you sort through pens, washi, and notebooks, ask, have I used this in the last 3 months? If not, gift it, swap it, or donate it. That's so true for anything in the house. Like, I kind of have a 1-year rule with my clothes. I definitely need to go through kitchen things that, you know, in the past, if you've been here a while, maybe you were here a few years ago, but I did a, like, what is it called? I don't even know what it would be called, but for the whole month of July, a friend and I, on July 1st, we got rid of 1 thing. July 2nd, we got rid of 2 things. You know, July 15th, we got rid of 15 things. So it just adds up. So you're not, it's not like 1 thing a day. I mean, you're getting rid of hundreds and hundreds of things, like pieces of clothes, items that you're not using in your kitchen, clutter that has just been sitting around. And like for us, for planning, we can accumulate so many things. So this is great. I think August is, well, July is a great month to declutter before all the school starts, but we can do it in August. We'll just have to be strategic about when we're going to declutter and maybe not make it like a huge thing. So I don't do well with trackers, but if I know that each day I should just get rid of 1 thing in a certain area, that seems more doable than spending a whole day trying to declutter everything in your house, because that could get really tiring. Let's see here. Declutter your mind with brain dumps. That's good for journaling, like waking up in the morning and just writing your thoughts, or getting it all out, like what you need to do. I think that's a really good idea. Let's see here. Reflect and reset weekly. Use the last day of each week to journal your wins. Notes in, okay. So I think this will be kind of fun to follow along. All right, now for the kit. Now I get the deluxe kit, or that's what I have been getting ever since. I think March was the first subscription that I signed up for, but I did buy January and February, so I have the whole year so far, and I've gotten the deluxe kit. For September, though, I am getting, like, I just love that theme, so I am getting the biggest one, and that is the, oh, is it Deluxe Supreme? Supreme Deluxe? I need to look that up, but here is that bigger sticker that you get. And I like putting these on that monthly dashboard page in my Hobonichi. This one's just like, I mean, I want to sit right there. Doesn't that seem just so, obviously not with the plants or the, is it lavender? What is it? No. Well, anyways, there's a vase here, so I would put that on the table first, and then I would sit down and get cozy. It just looks like such a peaceful place. And then we have, let's open this. I don't save those stickers, so sorry if that hurt your soul for ripping it. We have the card. Okay, it says Planner Girl on it. Life is beautiful, so are you. And a little bunny. You get the August stickers, which I love these, the calendar and the chapter. And then it says Hello August. I like using those on that Hobonichi dashboard. And then a card that has the August calendar on it. And I keep this propped up on my desk. I think I showed you guys the last time I did a video like this for July. But I'll show you again in case you are new here. But I have this little wood block and I prop the card in there like that, and it just sits on my desk and I can reference it if I need to. In all honesty, I don't really need to reference it because I have my planner right in front of me, but it's a cute little touch for my desk, and it makes like, I don't know, it makes like the little corner really pretty. And why not? Some little stickers here, and then the August month sticker. Okay, I'm going to do the stickers last because those are like my favorite things. But here are those big papers, the vellums that you get. And I always think these are so gorgeous. I don't utilize them as much as I should. I mean, some of the girls, they cut them and they paste them into their planner and they get so creative. And sometimes I feel like I'm just so busy that I don't have the time to do that. And so I really need to make the time, you know, set aside a time during the weekend or at the end of the day just to be creative. I'm going to set that to the side. And then we have, so these are a size A5. I get the unpunched A5 size. And that's because I use the Hobonichi and that's the size. Although, you guys, so I am filming this and it is, oh, what is it? Where's my planner? I'm like, look, I don't need a calendar right in front of me. I have my planner. Here, I'm going to look. It's the 25th. It's the 25th today. And the Rosey Life planner did oh no, it's the 24th. How did I read that wrong? Oh, Saturday. Yeah. Okay. This is the 24th today. The Rosey Life planner, you can tell that I haven't like been really planning this week. I'm just so busy with CC stuff that it's just going to be so minimal in my planner this week. But you know what? It's okay. That happens. Anyways, getting to the good topic of conversation. The Rosey Life planner is, today she opened her pre-sale for her 2026 planner lineup. And wow, I am so excited. So I ended up pre-ordering the A5 Flow planner in the Velvet Plum. I figured, I don't know. I was just drawn to that color. I was torn. I didn't want pink. Um, I like pink, but I don't know if I want that on my planner all year long. And then the almond, I was kind of like, okay, well, that will go with each season and all of that. And I was like, no, I'm just going to do what I am drawn to. And it was the Velvet Plum. So, A5 Flow Planner in the Velvet Plum. I am so excited to try this planner. It seems like it has every single thing that I am always looking for in a planner. Extra note pages. It has a weekly and a horizontal view, and it's set up to where each month has like the monthly view, the weekly views, and then the daily views, and it's all right there. So in a Hobonichi, you have the monthly views, and then you have a whole chunk of all the weeks of the year, and then at the end it's all the dailies. And then there are no notes pages in the back, and I always need some note pages because you guys know I like to track homeschool stuff. It is a very big planner, like very big, 700 and something pages. But if it's going to be my everything planner, I'm okay with that. And I just want to get it in my hands and flip through it and try it. And I mean, fingers crossed, but I really think that this is my 2026 or will be my 2026 planner because I I just don't see how it wouldn't work just with all the different options. So when I get that in my hands, I will make a video and share all about it. But you can go to the Rosey Life Planners YouTube. She has a YouTube video about all of the planners that she released. And you can get more information if you want to pre-order now. And she's saying that we should pre-order because things are going to go quickly. So that was her advice. Okay, let's keep going with August and all of these beautiful vellum pieces. I really like this one, mainly because we are starting school in August, like middle August. I think August 12th is when we start at home, and then August 19th is when we start with our community or CC community. So books just seem appropriate. We are educating classically, so we use a lot of books. We're reading a lot, and I think that's what I'm going to put in my Hobonichi. Okay, and like I said, I do have that Mediterranean kit coming, so I'm going to bring you down again because these are smaller, but it's going to kind of mess with the theme of August, I think, so I'm going to have to figure it out. Okay, here is the first sheet. So pretty. Like, I want to be her. And then, like, I want to be her, but then I need, like, a blanket under me. And I posted on my stories the other day. And it's funny because someone commented, like, well, either love it or hate it. And so it was a picture of, like, you're in a hotel room looking out the window, and it was just, like, the outdoors. It was nature. It was, like, the forest. And it was like, so, yeah, I'll go camping if it means that my room has a view of like the trees or something. So, I mean, for me, I'm not a huge outdoorsy person. I am more indoorsy, but I can appreciate the beauty and still love the outdoors. I just don't have to camp in it if I don't want to. Okay, I'm going to keep going. So pretty. I just love how elegant. Oh, that's really cute. Linda's stickers are always so elegant. I am excited to see what the bigger box is all about for September. And I actually don't think I've ever ordered a themed box before. So that's exciting. So that Mediterranean theme. Get to see what a theme box is all about. So I'm going to share all of it with you guys when I get them in the mail. These stamps are always a highlight. I love using these. Super, super pretty. And then these you can use if you want to, you know, be a little bit more functional with those. It's like pretty and functional. Cute. Okay, well, that is everything that I have to share with you today. If you have questions about the Rosey Life, or if you are interested in getting something you don't know what to get, let me know in the comments and I can help you. And I just love connecting with all of you guys down in the comments. So I hope that you have a great rest of your day and we'll talk soon. Bye, you guys.